Smartsheet Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Smartsheet, a robust platform designed to manage projects, workflows, and collaboration. If you're looking for a tool that brings together task management, project planning, and team collaboration in one place, Smartsheet is worth considering. I've added a link to the product in the description below so you can explore it further. Smartsheet offers a unique combination of the ease of use of a spreadsheet with powerful features typically found in dedicated project management software. The platform uses a familiar grid-based interface, making it easy for users already accustomed to tools like Excel to jump right in. This familiarity makes it great for teams that want flexibility without a steep learning curve. One of Smartsheet's standout features is its collaboration tools. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and share updates all within the platform. It also integrates well with other tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, and Slack, making it seamless to incorporate into your existing workflow. The automations in Smartsheet are another key feature. You can set up workflows to automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, updating statuses, and notifying team members when actions are required. Smartsheet's dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of all your projects, providing a comprehensive overview of tasks, milestones, and progress in real time. It's great for tracking multiple projects at once, especially for teams working on complex initiatives. This platform is perfect for project managers, teams working remotely, and businesses that need to streamline their workflows and keep projects on track. Whether you're managing construction timelines, software development, or marketing campaigns, Smartsheet offers the tools you need to stay organized and improve productivity. If you need a flexible, scalable tool for your team's project management, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. Again, check out the link in the description to get started.